Hello and welcome back everyone. This is a quick video on an easy way to apply a glass screen protector onto your phone. Note this is for glass ones only. This is an easy way to have it aligned and avoid any fingerprints on the adhesive side. Before we begin, a like to my channel will be hugely appreciated. So let's begin. The one I am using here is just a cheap one from Poundland, which is in the UK. I will be applying two to an iPhone 7, but the process should be the same for other phones as well. We get the screen protector out. Peel the protective backing off a bit, then put it back on. This is just to make it easier to remove later. Next we align the protector with all the holes and buttons. Next we get some masking tape and stick it to one side. This is to hold the protector in place. Just make sure the positioning is still okay, then completely stick the tape down. As you can see, it is nicely aligned and the tape is holding it in place. Now we just flip the protector over like a page from a book. But before you remove the backing, make sure to clean the seam with the wipes to remove any dust and debris. Now completely remove the backing. And flip the protector back onto the screen. Give it a quick tap, the adhesive does the rest. Sometimes it just needs a bit of help in the corners. As you can see, it is nicely aligned. Then just rip off the tape. Just push out any air that might get in due to removing the tape. There's a bit of dust as I done it quickly, but you could spend a bit more time on the cleaning stage. And that is it. The bubble on the left will work its way out. And there you have it. An easy way to align your glass screen protector and avoid fingerprints during application. This is the phone after an hour or so. The bubble is gone. I hope you have found this video useful. Please also check out my other videos. If you like these videos, please like and subscribe to my channel. Thanks again for watching, and I shall catch you in the next time.